Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening, online students. Anugraha,
Good evening, Miss.
yeah, Avisha and Hariprana. Yeah, good evening. Shared my screen, children. Is it visible, online students?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, please take down. Please take down the first question and work the answer. Take down the first question, children. Work the answer. Take the table closer to you, girls. Yeah. Then, yeah, what's the value of A?
-3.
-3. No. Check your mistake. It's not -3. Yeah, children, what's the answer? Pranav? What's the answer, Pranav?
It's working out, Miss.
Okay, okay, okay. No, children, it's time. What's the value, Sahana? 5 by 4. No. Three by 2.
Ma'am, 3 by 2.
Yes, Anugraha, 3 by 2. Step is wrong. What's that equation you got finally? Anugraha?
Ma'am, 8a is equal to 12.
Yeah, 8 is equal to 12. Okay. All right. Very good. Yeah, check your steps, children. It's given x minus 2 is a factor. That means P of 2 is 0. X minus 2 is a factor. That means the remainder is 0. P of 2 is 0. This is what you should write first. P of 2 is equal to 0. You must write this. P of 2 is equal to 0 because it's given that x minus 2 is a factor of P of x. So that means x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. So P of 2 is equal to 0 is the condition. Then you'll have to substitute. Is equal to 0. So how do you simplify this? 2 to the power 5 is 32. And 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 3s are 48. Minus 48. 2 cubed is 8. 8 into a minus 8a. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. Plus 12a. 4a plus 4 is equal to 0. On solving this, x is equal to, or a is equal to 3 by 2. Done, children? Identified your mistake? Those who did not get it? Where you went wrong, Sahana? 2 to the power 5, you wrote 35, huh? 34 you wrote, okay. Understand all of you? Any questions? Prenu? Next one. Yeah, online students, Anugraha got it. Bhavishya and Hari Pranav?
Ma'am, I have left out 1 3x square in question.
Okay, you identified your mistake. That's important. What about Pranav?
Miss, I didn't add the 4a, miss. So only it came wrong, miss. Almost it came correct, miss, but I didn't add the 4a, miss.
Okay, fine. Okay, next one. So try it and then I'll show you the answer. Laksha, the earlier one, did you write the correct answer? The earlier one? You didn't? No problem, but you completed this one? Okay. X plus a is a factor. So x plus a is equal to 0. X is equal to minus a. What's the condition? Vishnu Priyan? P of minus a. Very good, is equal to 0. Why? Because it's a factor. So this is the condition. So that means what? In P of X, what should you do? In P of X, wherever there is, replace that with minus A. Very good. Very good. A is equal to 4, huh? We'll see. What's the answer? 4. Online students?
Miss, A is equal to -4, Miss.
Minus 4, huh? Both are wrong. Meaning both meaning? So see here. So P of minus A is equal to 0 is the condition. So here I've substituted wherever there is X. No, you first go through, then I'll talk. Or if you check your answer. See where you've gone wrong.
Ma'am, I got it right.
Very good.
Ma'am, I also got it right.
Very good, Bhavishya. Yeah. So wherever there is X, you use minus A, right? Now, how do you simplify this? Minus A into minus A into minus A into minus A into minus A is A. Positive A to the power 4. Because minus taken 4 times. Minus multiplied with itself 4 times is positive, correct? And A to the power 4. Here, children, this is where you'll have to be very, very careful. Very careful here. See here. You should not do minus into minus plus. You must not do minus into minus plus. How do you simplify this? First, minus a the whole square. Minus a the whole square is a square. Correct? Minus a into minus a is a square. Now this a square into a square is a to the power 4 and minus a to the power. Oh, I've shown all the steps. You can see it here. So this one is this one. Here it is not minus into minus plus. It is not that. Then what is it? Minus a the whole square is a square. And this you can multiply. Minus 3a minus a is equal to 0. Then after that, minus into plus minus a square into a square is a to the power 4. Minus 4a is equal to 0. Then this one gets cancelled. Plus a power 4 minus a power 4 gets cancelled. So minus 4a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 by minus 4. So 0 by minus 4 is 0. Correct? So what should we find here, children? What should we find? Should we write P of 7 is equal to 0? Should we write P of 7 is equal to 0?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Should we write P of 7 is equal to 0?
No, ma'am.
Or should we find P of 7?
And we should find P of 7.
Yeah, there are two things. There are two things we need to understand. If it is given, it is a factor, then you must write P of 7 is equal to 0 because it's a factor. So the remainder is 0. But if you have to check if it is a factor, you must find the remainder. P of 7 is what you must find. It's not given to be a factor. You should check if it's a factor. For that, you should find P of 7. If you get 0, it is a factor. If it is not 0, it is not a factor because when you find P of 7, you're going to get the remainder on division. When you find P of 7, it will give you the remainder on division. So if you get 0, then it's a factor. Otherwise, it's not a factor. See, we cannot write P of 7 is equal to 0 because the question is x minus 7 a factor of P of x? Is it a factor? So how do we decide if it's a factor or not? Normally, we do the long division. We'll do the long division. And if we get remainder 0, it's a factor. Otherwise, it's not a factor. Same thing here. You should find P of 7. To find, you should find P of 7. And if you get the answer as 0, it's a factor. Otherwise, it's not a factor.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. See, here you have to find.
Got answer, miss.
Very good. Here you'll have to find P of 7. You need to find P of 7. See, P of 7 is 0. So it's a factor. Right, don't you?
Got the same answer.
Good, good. Yeah.
Ma'am, I too got 0.
Nice. Okay. Yeah. Louder, louder. Okay. Okay, so do we understand that we have to find P of 7? Okay, so I'm finding P of 7. P of 7 means substitute in P of x, wherever there is x, use 7. Okay, 7 cubed is 343. Here 7 square is 49. 49 into 6 is 294. 19 sevens are 133. Oh, this is a mistake. By mistake, I've typed 184. Oh, 1 minute. Children, you all got 0? Let me check. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
1
Yes,
second.
miss.
343 minus 294 minus 133. Yeah, this is 80. This is a printing. I mean, while typing, I've made a mistake here. There's only 84. Yeah, it's correct. While typing, by mistake, I put 1 there. That's all. It is 0. P of 7 is 0. So remember, if you have to check if it's a factor, you must find the remainder. Find the remainder. How do you find the remainder? You should find P of 7. See what answer you're getting for P of 7. We are getting 0. That means the remainder is 0. The remainder on division is 0. So since the remainder is 0, it is a factor. If you get some other number, not 0, you get some other number, it's not a factor. Yeah. Now let's recall all the identities, children. Now related to this, what is x cubed plus y cubed? What is x cubed plus y cubed? X cubed plus y cubed is equal to
X plus y the whole cube.
x cubed plus y cube is not x plus y the whole cube. Okay, we can't recollect the formula. You have to still memorize it. Yeah. Very good. X cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Okay. Now to answer such questions, we have two methods actually. We can use the identity, or you can see the method which I'm going to do now. Take down, write down this x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, and cube on both the sides. What should you do? Cube on both the sides. Cubing on both the sides. Why should you cube on both the sides? Because we have to find x cubed plus y cubed. So cube on both the sides. So you're going to cube like this on both the sides. All right. Now a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula. This is the formula. Is equal to 12 cube. I think 17. 728. This is the formula. A plus B the whole cubed is equal to A cubed plus B cubed plus 3AB into A plus B is the formula. Memorize it now. When you're working this, memorize it. Is equal to 1728. Now, x cubed plus y cubed. This is what we have to find. Plus 3 into what's the value of xy? 27. What's the value of xy? 27. So 3 into 27 into what's the value of x plus y? 12. Is equal to 1728. Now multiply these numbers and bring it to the side and find the value of x cubed plus y cubed. Right on. So you can see here I've done using that. Do the alternate solution. I told you can do it in two ways. One using the identity and one like this. Take down the alternate solution first because I've explained that one. Take down the alternate solution first. Do this one first. I'll explain this also. I'll also do this one. Is the first method easy, children? Write down the equation, cube it on both the sides. And substitute the values. When you multiply this, you get 972. Take it to the other side. So x cube plus y cube is equal to 756. The second method is using the identity itself. Is the first method okay, children? All of you? Now the second method. The second method is simply you write the identity. What's the identity? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to x plus y the whole cube. This is the identity, right? This is the identity. Substitute the values. X cube plus y cube we have to find. We have to find this plus 3 into xy, that is 27, into x plus y is 12, is equal to x plus y the whole cube, that is 12 cube. Now you will say it's almost the same. This is same, just that here you directly use the identity. There you write the equation x plus y is equal to 12 and you cube it on both the sides. You write the given equation x plus y is equal to 12 and you cube it on both the sides. But once you cube, you have to use identity. So here we directly use identity. That's the difference, not much. It's not a different method altogether. In both, we have to use identity. So I have written the identity like this. So you can also, you can take down this one, children, as alternate method. I'll write it here for you. The alternate method, take down from here. You must write the identity. X cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to x plus y the whole cubed. Write on the identity. Then substitute. This one we have to find. So write it as it is. Plus 3 into 27 into 12 is equal to 12 cubed. So x cubed plus y cubed plus 972 is equal to 1728. So x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 1728 minus 972, which is 756. Done, children? So we'll do this together. Tell me. 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. Let's cube it on both the sides. Let's cube this one on both the sides. So it will be 3x minus 2y the whole cube is equal to 11 cube. Okay. Now, how do you expand 3x minus 2y the whole cube? It's a cube. A cube, that is 3x the whole cube, a cube. Then minus b cubed minus 2y the whole cube. A cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab minus 3ab, 3 into a plus b or a minus b? A minus b, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, a minus b, that is 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 cube, which is 1331. I'll repeat, write on the equation given 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 and cube it on both the sides. Now, how do you cube it? So what is 3x minus 2y the whole cube? It's a cubed, 3x the whole cube, minus b cubed, minus 2y the whole cube, minus 3ab, 3 into 3x into 2y, into a minus b, 3x minus 2y. See, a is 3x minus b is 2y. A minus b the whole cubed. A is 3x, b is 2y. Yeah. Then after this, what is 3x the whole cube? 3 cubed is 27, x cubed, minus 2 cubed is 8, y cubed. Then minus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18xy, 18xy into what is 3x minus 2y value? 11. 3x minus 2y values 11 is equal to 1331. In the next step, 27x cubed minus 8y cubed. See, this one only we have to find. We have to find this. So don't worry about this. Minus, the rest of it should be numbers. So minus 18 into, what is xy? 12 into 12 into 11, correct? Is equal to 1331. 18 is here. Xy is given in the question 12. And this 3x minus 2y is 11, no? So 11. What happened? Sorry? Yeah. 18 is 18. XY is 12. Somebody has a doubt here. 1 minute. Let me do it again. Somebody here in the class has a doubt. 1 second. Yeah, you tell me. Tell me next what? Yes. What is 3x the whole cube? 27x cubed minus 8y cubed minus 18xy into 3x minus 2y is equal. You can substitute the value also here. What's the value of 3x minus 2y? Huh? It's given in the question. What's the value of 3x minus 2y in the question? You can substitute that here, or maybe once for all, you can do it in the next step. 27x cubed minus 8y cubed minus 18 into what is xy value in the question? Okay, then what's the value of 3x minus 2y in the question? Is equal to 1331. Okay, now multiply this, take this to the other side and find the value of 27x cubed minus 8y. Yeah. Do this. Take down, children. You can see the answer now. Please take it down. Done? All of you? Online students, finish writing?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So I'll just explain it and then you can write down. So to find these values, okay. So we are given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, right? X plus 1 by x is equal to 4, correct? Square root on both the sides. So x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 4 square. Now this is like a plus b the whole square, correct? So what is it? A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 16. Are you following? A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 16. Now x square plus 1 by x square as it is, 2ab, x and x will get cancelled. X and x will get cancelled. So you'll have only plus 2. Plus 2, correct? Yes or no? Is equal to 16. Now that plus 2 will go to the other side as minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 16 minus 2, which is 14. All right? Okay. Now to find the value of x cubed plus 1 by x cubed, write down the same equation and cube it on both the sides. Write down the same equation and cube it on both the sides. All right? Okay. So x plus 1 by x the whole cube is equal to 4 cube, correct? Now what is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So you can see here, this is a and this is b. This is b. A cubed plus b cubed plus 3 into a into b into a plus b is equal to 4 cubed, which is 64. Nivedita, you come and sit here. No, you're very distracted. You're not well today. You're feeling good? You're supposed to look at the board when I'm explaining, but you're not looking at the board. I am watching you from here. If you're not well, I can excuse you. That's why I asked you if you're not keeping well. Are you well? Are you all right today? You're able to concentrate or no? Yeah, then look at the board. Yeah, children. So a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b, where a is x and b is 1 by x, is equal to 64. So now this x and x will get cancelled. X and x gets cancelled, so it's only plus 3. Only plus 3 here. So this one you can see here, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Then you can see this 3 here. And the value of x plus 1 by x is 4. The value of x plus 1 by x is 4. Correct? This gets cancelled. So 3 into 4, because the value here is 4. So it is 3 into 4 is equal to 64. 3 4s are 12. So plus 12 on the other side, minus 12, so 52. Now to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, you will have to square this one on both the sides. Square this on both the sides. Write down this x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 14. And square this one on both the sides to get the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, so I've written this here. I square this on both the sides. So here your a is this one. This is a. This is your b. Okay, this is your a and b. This is your b. Okay, a, b. So a plus b the whole square. So a square, you can see this is a. X square is a square. Correct? What is your a, children? Online students, what is a here?
X
square.
x square.
X square. And what's b?
1 by x square.
1 by x square. So a plus b the whole square is a square. So this is a. X square is a square plus right b square plus 2ab. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's all. Plus 2 into a into b is equal to 196. So you get x to the power 4. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So you get x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to, this one gets cancelled, x square and x square gets cancelled. Correct? So this plus 2 on this side will come minus 2. So 196 minus 2, which is 194. Correct? Online students? Do we understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Take down the question alone and leave some space. Let me see how you all work it. Don't copy the answer. Take down the question and take down the question. Don't work it now. Taking the questions, children? Yeah. Taking the question, online students?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, this is the reverse procedure. If x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 47, find x plus 1 by x. Find x plus 1 by x. Yeah. So now using x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, what can you immediately find? You can find x squared plus 1 by x squared. Using x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, you can find x squared. See here, what is given? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is 47. We need to find x plus 1 by x. So it goes like this. Using x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, you must find x squared plus 1 by x squared. And then using x squared plus 1 by x squared, you should find x plus 1 by x. We have seen a little of this in rational numbers already, in the first chapter already. Number systems. So you know that using x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, you can find x squared plus 1 by x squared. So you must write that. What is x squared plus 1 by x squared? You must write this and square it. What is x squared plus 1 by x? What is x squared plus 1 by x squared the whole square? It is this one. It is this one. Plus 2 into a into b. You must write this formula by yourself. Because we are given x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, you know you can find x squared plus 1 by x squared. So you should write x squared plus 1 by x squared, square it and write the identity yourself. Now, this is like a plus b the whole square. You should square it. See, we have to find x squared plus 1 by x squared. You square it and write the identity. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this will get cancelled. Now under this, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2. So what is this one? 47. It's given in the question. 47 plus 2. 49. So x squared plus 1 by x squared, the whole square is 49. So x squared plus 1 by x squared is square root of 49, which is 7. Now, after finding x squared plus 1 by x squared, you should find x plus 1 by x. So you must write x plus, you want to find x plus 1 by x, right? You write that and square it. And write the identity, x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 into a into b. 2, that is a plus b, the whole square is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. You write it. You must write what you want to find. X plus 1 by x. Square it and write the identity. Now substitute. What is x squared plus 1 by x squared? 7. We found. Plus x and x will get cancelled. So 7 plus 2, 9. X plus 1 by x, the whole square is 9. So x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 9, which is 3. All right. Yeah. Do this one and work that earlier one. Now, children, complete the one. Okay, you've taken down the question now. No, complete that and then work this. I'll come back in 10 minutes. You've all taken a question already. This question. You've already taken this question, answer this, and then complete this answer also. Let's come back. Online students, I'll get back in 10 minutes. Please keep yourself engaged. Complete the answers. Done writing, online students?
Done, ma'am.
You should finish this one as well as the earlier one, children. So just for you to check at home, I'll share the picture now on WhatsApp. This one I asked you to work by yourself. So I'm just sharing a picture also on WhatsApp so that you can check it now. Shall we proceed, children? Yeah, all this I'll share as homework. 1 minute, all this homework. Yeah. Yeah. What's identity? What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? A plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. So to find the value of this expression, you need the value of a plus b plus c. You know it is 9. You know you need the value of a square plus b square plus c square. You know it is 35. And here, when you take a minus common, what you get in the bracket? AB plus BC plus CA. So you also need to get the value of AB plus BC plus CA. This identity can also be written like this: A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB plus BC plus AC. After taking a minus common. After taking a minus common, you can also write it like this. So to find the value of this expression, you need the value of this one, you need the value of this one, and you need the value of this one. You need the value of a plus b plus c, which is 9 given. You need the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which is 35 given. And you need the value of ab plus bc plus ac, which is not known. So that means you should find this one first. Then only you can find this value. You must find the value of AB plus BC plus AC. You must find the value of AB plus BC plus AC, correct? So how do you find the value of AB plus BC plus AC? For that, you should use another identity where you have this expression AB plus BC plus AC. To find the value of AB plus BC plus AC, you must use another identity where you have this expression. What is that identity where you have this expression? A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, which can also be written as A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the identity which has this expression AB plus BC plus AC. This is the expression. This is the identity that has this expression AB plus BC plus AC. All right. Correct? Okay. So now substitute. What is A plus B plus C? 9. Correct? And what is this one? 35. So find the value of AB plus BC plus CA and use this value there. Yeah. Now I've given you some idea. Now use the slide and understand, children. Use the slide. So see here. I'm just repeating what I said. This is the identity which we have to use to find a cube plus b cube, to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the identity. But you need this value, and this value. We have this, we have this. We don't have this. To find this, we are using this identity. And we find AB plus BC plus AC. Then this value we substitute here. Is the procedure understood? Yeah, please work, children. I'll come back. Online children, please complete this one.
Miss,
Yes. Yes,
miss
Pranav.
the miss the question is not shared, miss. I can't see, miss.
No, I've shared the question and the answer.
Miss, no, miss, I
Bhavishya
can't see.
and then sometimes, okay, you have to leave the meeting and join then, Hari.
Miss, I leave the meeting, miss, and I again joined, miss, but it's not coming, miss.
Okay, let me check with your friends online. 1 second. What about the others? Anugraha, Sabarna, Sadhna, and Bhavishya? Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Online students, please answer. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav, you have to try to leave the meeting and join, but I'll just share the picture on WhatsApp for you for this one, okay?
Okay, miss.
Pranav, sometime back or for a long time, you're not able to see my screen.
Long time, miss.
Oh my God, no, you should have told me because I've been teaching with the contents on the screen. Otherwise, how will you understand? Okay, no, because I don't know. You have to just leave and join. Maybe it's definitely some internet issue. Okay, so how do we understand this? Okay, now for this one, I've shared the picture on WhatsApp, Hari Pranav. So children,
Okay,
we
miss.
need to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And you can see in the formula to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, we need the value of a plus b plus c, which we have in the question. We need the value of a squared plus b squared plus c squared, which we have in the question. We need the value of AB plus BC plus AC, which we do not have, which is not given. So we can't do this step first. We have to first find AB plus BC plus AC, and which is the other identity in which we have this expression AB plus BC plus AC. We have it only in this identity. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to A plus B plus C the whole square. Only in this identity we have AB plus BC plus AC. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm also not able to see the question.
Oh my God, let me just unshare and share. That's what I asked you some time back. Check now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Prana.
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Oh, no, I did ask the students. No, nobody. Now is it visible, Pranav?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Anugraha. See, only if children respond, I can understand the problem. Okay, fine. Good. Now that it's visible. So I was saying that to find the value of this expression, you need the value of a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, and ab plus bc plus ac. But we do not have the value of this one. So we use this identity. To get the value of this expression, we use this identity. In this identity, we have a square plus b square plus c square, ab plus bc plus ac, and a plus b plus c. What is the value of a plus b plus c? 9. What is the value of a square plus b square plus c square? 35. So by substituting these values, you can find the value of a plus b plus c. Now, how to simplify this? You should not do 35 plus 2, 37. That's wrong. Because this one is 2 into this one. This 2 is to be multiplied with this. It is not this one plus 2. 2 is for multiplication. 2 is to be multiplied with this one. So after substituting, don't do 35 plus 2, 37. No. This This is one expression. 2 into AB plus BC plus AC is one expression. So this plus 35 goes to the other side as minus 35. So you get 46. And now this 2 comes down for division, correct? 2 into AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 46. So AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 46 by 2, which is 23, correct? Like this, we find the value of AB plus BC plus AC and then substitute here. So here it is 35 minus 23, 12, and 9 into 12, 108. So the value of this expression is 108. All right. Yeah, children, online children.
Miss, right.
Can we go to the next one? I've shared this image on WhatsApp for those of whom it was not visible. You can complete this later.
Okay, miss.
Yeah. Now these, I believe, I'll show you the answer slide. Go through, understand as much possible, write, and then you can ask your doubts. Because it's numerical. It's just, you just have to write the identity, substitute and find. If some value is not there, then you have to use some other identity, find that value and then substitute. So this is the procedure. So I'll show you the answer, understand and write, and then you can ask your doubts. Is my screen visible, online students?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Please go through this answer and write down this answer. I'll come back and you can ask me a doubt. It's numerical, so I think you can help yourself. Done this one, children? Online students, finish working this.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
My screen is visible, right, children?
Yes, miss.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
all right. So here also we have to find x cube plus y cube plus z cube. All right. So this is the identity because only here you have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to. Okay, 1 minute. You know this. Let me not read and waste your time. You know this identity now. So what are the different expressions you see? You see the expression x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Then you see the expression xyz. Then you see the expression x plus y plus z. Then there is x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Then there's also xy plus yz plus xz. So these are the different expressions you see in this identity. These are the different expressions you see in this identity. In this identity, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expressions you have. Same for the last time also we use the same identity. In this identity, we have 5 expressions. And you need to find the value of this expression. The first one here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. You need to find the value of this expression. So to find this one, you need to have the values of all the other expressions, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This identity has 5 expressions and all. You have to find the value of the first expression, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. To find the value of this one, you need to have the numerical values of the remaining 4 expressions, the remaining 4. That is, you should know the value of x, y, z. That is given in the question. You need the value of x plus y plus z. That is also given in the question. You need the value of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. That is not given to us in the question. So you need to find that. You need to find that. Then you need the value of xy plus yz plus xz. That is given in the question. So you don't have the value of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Correct? That you should first find. So that can be found using this identity. That can be found using this identity. Now, what are the different expressions you have in this identity? In this identity, you have x squared plus y squared plus z squared. You have xy, yz, xz, and you have x plus y plus z. Now, x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Do we have the value? No, we have to find that only. This only has to be found to find. Then do you have xy, yz, xz? Yes, you have that in the question here. And you have x plus y plus z. That also we have in the question here. See, to use this identity, you need the value of this expression and this expression. You should substitute this in this. Then only you can find x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Remember, in any equation, if there are 5 unknowns, you must know 4 of them to find the 5th one. In an identity or in any equation, now in this equation, which is an identity, in this equation, which is an identity, there are 5 expressions. So you need to know the values of 4 expressions to find the 5th one. To find the value of the 5th expression, you need to know the values of the remaining 4 expressions. If you don't know even one, then you should first find that using a different identity. Now that different identity which you take, there also it will be made up of expressions. So here this identity has 3 expressions. Now in this also you want to find one. No, you should know the remaining 2. You should know the values of the remaining 2. So this is the idea. Now you should tell me where I have to explain. Yeah, one thing is you have to remember the identities, which was already given to you in the first, I think, video, right? Long back, we started polynomials with the knowledge of these identities. So please memorize them, otherwise it's boring. If you know the identities, you'll be so happy to recall them and do it. So then it's fun. If you don't know the identities, you might not like it. Memorize identities. See, children, because we learn the identity in this form, you can write this also straight away. Not that you must write this and then this. I'm writing the identity the way we learn it. We normally say this way, right? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz is equal to x plus y plus z the whole square. So I'm just writing that and then showing that I'm taking out 2 common. You can write this straight away if you want. Here also, we normally memorize it like this. But in the numerical sums, we use this version. We take out that minus common and we use this version. You can write this straight away if you want. It's not that you must write this and then this. So in all, what I'm trying to say is you need not mention this. You need not mention this. You can straight away write this one. And you can straight away write this one. I have written this one because we normally say the identity like this. And here this one also. With this we memorize. For that reason, I have written. So don't think that's what. Don't get confused. This one is not mandatory. You can write, or you can write this one straight away. This one and this one straight away. Is that fine, children? Finish writing all of you. Where do we stop in this presentation, children? Where did we stop here, children? This is what we did, no, last class.
Nine o'clock வரைக்கும் எவ்வளவு பண்ண முடியுமோ அதை பண்ண சொன்னீங்க. 9 o'clock ஆயிடுச்சு.
He'll always talk for the class. He'll not worry about his problem. Everybody's problem is his problem. Yeah. I think we start with the 8th one. 8th answer also I put on WhatsApp today. No, I shared only for you, I think. No, you asked me. Children, we had been working this presentation only, no, in the last class. No, you're confusing me then. 8, right? That's what I said. Huh? We have finished in the 8th one. Okay, yeah. First one.
9th one also completed.
Oh, very good. 9th also we completed. All right, children. This also is done. Now I want you to work this one. This one. Don't do this division. Some of us don't know, so don't do this. Do this one. Don't do this one. Do this one. Do this one. Yeah, this and this. Don't work the crossed ones. Work only the ticked ones. I'll share the answer later with you. Yeah. Don't copy all the questions, children. Take down one question, work the answer. Then the next question, work the answer. Do it like that. see the answers so far, children. Yeah, online students will check the answers so far. Have you finished the 10th one, online students? Is 10 over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10 is done. Class here, 10. Okay, 11. 11. Online students, 11.
Yes, ma'am.
13. 13.
Yes, ma'am.
15.
10.
16.
10, ma'am.
17.
Ma'am, 17 and 18 haven't.
Okay, so I'll not show you the answer for the 17th and 18th ones. The remaining answers I'll share you. I'm sorry, we'll discuss the remaining answers. The steps, I'll take pictures and share on WhatsApp. We'll see the answers for 10, 11, 13, 15, and 16. Only the final answers. Sorry? Okay, I'll share all the answers later. You try. Maybe tomorrow I'll send the answers. You first try. The steps, the pictures I'll put on WhatsApp. Okay, so now what's the answer for the 10th one? 10th one, online students?
21, 5, ma'am.
10th one is?
5.
5. Very good. 5. Yeah, 11th one. Answer for the 11th one.
-2, ma'am.
-2. -8. What did you get? -8. -2. -2. I've shared the images on WhatsApp. Please check where you have gone wrong because these are very simple ones. Maybe calculation and tappanirkalam. Please check it. 13. This one we are not doing now. Yeah. 13 answer.
4/9.
4/9. No. So see, we have trouble with calculation. What's the answer? Anybody else? Oh, actually, you said 4/9 for this one. Huh? The question is it a multiple? That means you got the remainder as 4/9, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, no. The remainder is 0. So it is a factor. Children, very important questions. They may look simple because the steps are very few. Very important questions. Important meaning most frequently asked. And also we tend to go wrong with the calculation. Please focus on that. Don't blindly copy these answers and close the book at home. Go through. It's just number work. This one, no, not now. Yeah. What's P of 0? 0. P of 1? P of 2?
0.
So P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, all 0. That conclusion I'll teach you in the next class. I'll teach you or from the slide you can imagine. I'm sorry, understand. It's okay if you, what can you conclude? I'll explain in the next class. It's time now. But you can see that what you can conclude you can see there. Because the remainders are 0, that means the remainder is 0. So that means x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 2, right? That means x minus 0, x minus 0, x is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 2 is a factor. See, we have taken x as 0, see, P of 0 means x is 0, x is 1, and x is 2. So if x is 0, that means x is a factor. If x is equal to 1, x minus 1 is a factor. X is equal to 2, x minus 2 is a factor. Because only when you have x minus 2 is equal to 0, you say x is equal to 2, right? I'll explain again in the next class. It's time, but I've just shared the answers with you. Yeah, this one. What's the value for this one?
P of 0, 5.
How much?
5, ma'am. P of 0.
No, I want the final answer. What is P of 0 plus P of minus 3 plus P of minus 1? 51. Wow, very good. 51. Very good. And remaining two, you complete at home. I can't show you now. You work, you practice, send the answer tomorrow. Oh, you want it now, is it? I'll share only for you later. Let the others try. Have you all tried the 17th and 18th one? No, let them try. Children, for all the questions, we saw the final answers. I've shared the pictures on WhatsApp. You can go through for the detailed working. All right. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call. Good night, online students. Thank you, children. Good night. Good
Thank
night.
you.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank
See
you,
you.
miss.
Thank you.